The ReechCraft PowerLift takes you to new heights for indoor facility maintenance. Nothing else stacks up. The ReechCraft PowerLift is a practical solution that makes reaching difficult places easy in auditoriums, offices, schools, theaters, and more. ReechCraft PowerLift is designed with mechanics that make sense. The PowerLift features our innovative gearbox, dual-access basket, stowable Mast sections, Mast coupler system, transport tires, Outrigger pads, and caster wheels. PowerLift has a platform capacity of 350 pounds and reaches a maximum working height of 25 feet. The PowerLift is powered by an electric or cordless drill and 3/8 hex driver, the fast coupling Mast Stow for quick extension, and the Outriggers adjust to terrain and space. PowerLift has a stowed height of 60 inches and only 30 inches wide, so it can easily fit through a standard doorway. The PowerLift is lightweight, easy to use, and requires minimal maintenance. Positioning the PowerLift is done with ease using its 0-degree turning radius caster wheels. The caster wheels are non-marking locking wheels, making positioning effortless. PowerLift is designed to meet strict Ansi and Osha standards for aerial work platforms. Transporting the lift could not be any safer. With our Hitch Hauler accessory, you can easily transport it on the back of your vehicle. With the Hitch Hauler, you can drive to your location, dismount the PowerLift, and get the job done. No assembly time is needed. The optional transport tires are 12 inches tall and flat-free. These tires make the PowerLift portable on uneven surfaces like curbs, elevators, or across grass. You can even roll it up and down stairs. The PowerLift is modular. It can be attached to 3 different bases for various applications: the fixed base, Outrigger base, and straddle base. So how do we set up the PowerLift? Let's get started using the popular Outrigger base and installing the solid steel weights for the Outrigger base. Next, we can remove the rear Outriggers from their storage location and install them into the chassis location, followed by the front Outriggers. To secure the Outriggers to the base, hold on the Outrigger retaining pin, locking them to the base. With your cordless power drill and 3/8 hex driver, quickly level the base by adjusting the stabilizers using the bubble level to ensure you're working on a level surface. Now that the PowerLift is leveled, you can insert your cordless power drill and 3/8 hex driver into the gearbox before entering the platform. Test the gearbox to ensure the PowerLift is correctly leveled. The gearbox will not function until the unit is stable. You will use your cordless power drill and 3/8 hex driver and our gearbox to power your platform. To rise to your desired working height, put your drill driver into its forward setting. Switch your drill into its reverse setting to return to the ground. To reach your desired working height, easily add additional Mast sections. The 4-foot Mast extensions stow alongside the platform for quick vertical changes during use. Our Mast sections stack on top of each other and easily interconnect. They have a tools-free connection system allowing you to customize your machine's height without any additional hardware or equipment. Using fingers on each side of the mast, center the cam in the middle of the mast, then push down on the locking levers. The cam rotates to align with the notch in the locking levers. The locking lever will then snap back into place. Our patented system will not allow you to pass the coupling joint until it is fully connected. Plus, the 4 alignment pins keep the mast from tipping out until it is fully secured. As you continue to climb to your desired working height, you can rest easy knowing that our innovative gearbox features an integrated Overspeed braking system. Our Overspeed braking system, made with reliable steel components, provides you safety by automatically stopping the platform and giving you peace of mind. Our gearbox doesn't need to be recharged or plugged in. There are no cables to clean, no battery acid to deal with, making a gearbox more cost-effective than an integrated motor because there are no batteries to replace or electronics to service or leaky hydraulic fluid. At ReechCraft, we emphasize portability along with quick setup and teardown times, so you can focus on getting the job done quickly and safely. The PowerLift is just one of the innovative products we offer at ReechCraft. Since 1993, we've been creating access solutions to meet the ever-changing needs of the diverse customers we serve. Check us out on our social media or visit our blog to see product updates, customer stories, and safety tips. At ReechCraft, we're always up to something new.